Hey there everyone, welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies. This happens to be the song All Night, All Day, an African American spiritual. You can find it on page 8 of Elizabeth's book. What we're going to do this video is first of all talk about what chord melody is. Then I'm going to demonstrate the song on low G GC ukulele. These were written for low G, although like this one, they can work on high G, or many of them will as well. Then I'll do a tutorial for the song from what she has, and then I will demonstrate the song on high G GC ukulele and then Baritone DGBE ukulele as well. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are 3 things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to the channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/ukestuff. If you like chord melodies, I actually have a number of my own on my website as well. So you go to ukestuff.info, music, look at my tabs, and then you'll find my chord melodies there. As I'm recording this, there are about 41 available or so. There are also links to the works by Tony Krimlisk. There is a link to the works by Spencer Gay, Uke Education. That's all free. And then also the paid works of the late ukulele Mike Lynch. Very good chord melodies as well. I also have 2 books of chord melodies available for sale of carols and hymns that you can find at the Buy Me a Coffee page. They're also on sale at Apple Books, Kindle Books, and then imprint from Amazon. All right, let's begin with chord melody. What is chord melody? Chord melody is a way to play music where your ukulele is playing the melody and the harmony all at the same time, ultimately rhythm as well. And it's a next step. So it's beyond just strumming and singing, which is good. It's beyond that. It's now letting your ukulele be the singer as well. And you're going to do it with just your thumb, and you're going to play parts of chords, a full chord, or a single string at a time. And it's all generally with the thumb. You're going to be reading tablature. Tablature has 4 lines. The bottom line, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. The strings 1, 2, 3, 4, but that's flip-flop from what you see on your ukulele. As I look down, the string closest to me is the 4th string, the G string. So it's sort of like if you held your ukulele up like this, that's what chord melody is. A number tells you what fret to play. A 0 means it's an open string, and no number means you don't play that string. So let me demonstrate the song on GCEA low G ukulele. This happens to be a concert. All right, let's do a tutorial on low G GC ukulele, although it will apply also for high G as well. We're going to start with the 3rd string, 2nd fret, then play strings 4 and 3. 2nd string open, 2nd string 3rd fret while you play strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string open, full G chord. 1st string open, 1st string 2nd fret, G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. 2nd string, 3rd fret. Then keep that 3rd finger down, and you're going to play strings 4, 3, and 2. Lift up, 2nd string open, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string open. Put the ring finger down again on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Repeat the 2nd string. Lift up on the 2nd string, and then put your 2nd finger down on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, playing strings 4 and 3. Now we're on the 2nd line. You're going to keep your 2nd finger down on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, play strings 4 and 3. Repeat the 3rd string up to the 2nd string open, repeat it again. Ring finger goes down on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. 1st string open, G chord, full thing. 1st string open, 1st string 2nd fret, G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Full G chord, second string, third fret, which is where you're at, first string, second fret, second string, third fret, now a D chord. Repeat the second string, G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2, and do that again. Now we're on the third line. So G chord, but really your second finger is on the third string, second fret, playing strings 4 and 3. Second string open, put down the ring finger on the second string, third fret, while your second finger is still on the third string, second fret, play strings 4, 3, and 2. Full G chord. Then open first string, back to a G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. C chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Third finger goes down to the second string, third fret, strings 4, 3, and 2. Open second string, third fret, second string, back to open second string, back to third fret, second string. Repeat the second string open, then second finger goes down, third string, second fret, play strings 4 and 3. Bottom line, strings 4 and 3. Second string open, make the G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Now, we're going to make a bar chord here quickly. First finger covers strings 1 through 4, right above the middle second fret, pull against the fretboard. Then what you're going to do is put your second finger on the third string, third fret. First string open, then I bring my second and third fingers down on strings 2 and 3 at strings 3 and 4, playing strings 4 through 2. Full G chord. Second string, third fret, you're right there. First string, you're right there. Second string, you're right there. D chord. Repeat the second string, G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2. Then the hardest rhythm of the song. Onto the second string, first fret, second string, second fret, and then your G chord, strings 4, 3, and 2 again. And that's all night, all day on low G, GC ukulele. Now let me demonstrate it on high G. I hope you've enjoyed hearing and learning how to play All Night, All Day, one of Elizabeth Ragsdale's 100 chord melodies, which is, again, free for download at my website at ukestuff.info. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.